Today we're going to demonstrate an easy and quick removal and exchange of your AR receiver pins. Now the rear pin here is the hardest. The front here has access to the detent pin through a little hole right here in the front, making it very easy. But this one is very hard because you have to remove all these parts to access the spring. So the first thing we're going to do is pop out that pin and then push it in a little bit. When you push it in a little bit, the head of the detent pin will be exposed a little bit more. It's shaped like a little triangle, and we're going to get under that head with this really small jeweler screwdriver. It's about 80 thousandths wide and 20 thousandths thick. You want to position it into the channel of the receiver pin and get the screwdriver over the detent pin. Now once you have the screwdriver in there and the detent pin is recessed, simply grab onto the receiver pin and the screwdriver and turn 90 degrees. And then the screwdriver is going to come out easily. And now your detent pin is outside of the channel of the receiver pin. If you just pull this out right now, it'll come out, but then you'll lose control of the detent pin. So with a 1/4 inch tool, a punch like this, or even an assembly tool like this, it's just a 1/4 inch piece of plastic, steel or aluminum. You want to match it up with the receiver pin and displace the two, and you got to be quick about it so the detent pin doesn't force itself between these two and forcing itself out. Now we don't have a replacement. This is the original pin, but now we're just going to put it back in. And it doesn't matter how you index it. Just, again, line them up and be quick about it so that you don't lose control of that detent pin. Now all you got to do is turn this pin so that the channel lines up with the detent. That's it.